Hey yo, what's going on today, guys? It is Pop Trace back with another video. Today, we are going to be introducing some new chickens that we got. We got we got an olive egger, then we got a silver lace Wyandotte. And we don't have a coop for them yet, but I am going to either buy or make one, so that is probably going to come very soon. But right now they're just in a little dog, well, not little, it's a big dog pen, like big. The reason why I don't have them out running with the other chickens is because sometimes they get in fights and don't really want them to shed any blood or anything. But one of them, actually, that's in here, got along really well with both of them, like first time. So I let her stay in there with them because they get kind of obnoxious. And yeah, so whenever she's in there, they quiet down. But the olive egger is actually a rooster. And here they are. I have a blanket. So these ones are this one's the olive egger rooster right here. That one's the silver lace Wyandotte. And then that one right there. Okay, so that one right there. Yeah. So that one right there is the old one. And right now, she is going broody. She is. And in there, there's an egg in there. Can't really see it. It's more of like right here in the back. See, there's one fake egg, which I think is pink. And then there's that one right there. So those ones, I hope she goes broody, so then I can get some baby chicks. Because we are going to we're going to make a chicken farm. Sorry, today I got up really early. Me and my friend that lives, he's like my neighbor. He lives like right on the other side of the fence over here. Me and him are gonna go and make a like little chickenville where me and him are gonna breed chickens, sell the eggs and babies, and we're doing rare breeds like the I Am Simani and some other breed like the Old English one. But then we have these broody pens that I made, and these ones are it. I mean, they're kind of old. These ones are what I'm going to use for brooding hens. So they can basically come in here and lay down and lay on the eggs and stuff, and then have babies. And we might get a incubator. I might get me a little teeny tiny 7-egg incubator or something. And I'm going to just put in there. And I'm just going to put in there. It is really muddy right here. And their coop is kind of torn apart because of them goofballs. Like that one right there. That little goofball right there goes in there and she tears all this stuff up, and yeah. So that's kind of why it has wood. I put the wood over there because when it snows, this wood in the snow, it's weird because whenever it snows, that wood gets like hot or something and it melts all the snow. So it basically lets them, go and walk along right there on the wood. So then their feet don't get cold because they don't like the cold. And then I put it to their food and to their water and to their coop, which is right here. And what is weird is some of our chickens have been eating our eggs, and I've been trying to make them go broody. And that has not really worked out as hoped. They are basically still they're still eating the eggs, and I don't know what to do with them. And then a rooster update. Let's see, where is that big huge rooster at? Where is that rooster? Yeah! Big boy! Do not know where that rooster is at. Sorry, my ear hurts. I have like this weird thing on the top of my ear. I guess I don't know what happened. I got cut or something, but it does not feel good. Big boy! Can't find that goofy rooster. I think he might be over here. He might be over here. Let's see here. There's them horses. Their owner, they normally go over there in that stall right there. That one. But today, they are in there. Aha! Here they are. Okay, so, yeah! Go! Big boy! Hang on, I'm gonna bring him over. Okay? I'm gonna set you right there. Wait, 1 second. Never mind, he went on the other side. On the other side of the trailer. So, where the poop stinky? Oh, there he is. He's big. Come here, B. Come here. Big boy, come. Come here. Come here. Good boy. He comes on command also. I wouldn't sell this rooster for $1 million. Not even 1,000,000. Like 10,000 million, trillion, bazillion, never ending. Like, yeah, that's how good of a rooster he is. He attacks everybody in my family, except for me. Now, the egg production, holy moly, matrimony. The egg production with these guys right now, I mean, they aren't really laying eggs. I don't know why. But the other silver lace Wyandotte that I have in there, he's laying eggs, and I'm glad for that because I want some baby chickens. He is a Rhode Island Red Rooster, and he is big. My camera is small on my grandma's phone, but in real life, he's like, his back stands about up to here on me. Like, not kidding, it stands about up to here. Yeah, about up above my knee. Right there. That's how big he is. Just because, I mean, hang on. He is about that big. That's how big he is. In basically, not on the camera, but like me just standing here, that's how big he is. Not on camera though. But yeah, he's pretty. And so is this little dude right here. He's pretty too. He's real pretty. I'm so glad that I have a rooster like him. So what we're basically gonna get is a whole bunch of chickens. Like we're talking about 70 to 100 chickens. Like meat birds, game birds, you name it. We're gonna get like quail, ducks, geese, any kind of game bird, and we're gonna put them out here in this stall, and we're gonna build like a big huge chicken run, and we're gonna have rare breeds and other different kinds of breeds. So come and check it out. And we are also doing a big huge garden, like we're talking big. It's on about it's about on half of an acre, I'd say. Or maybe even, yeah, about half of an acre. It's pretty big. Like, we're talking pretty big. It's out in the field that we have over there. It's big. And I will see you next time.